You know what? Let me share 5 top ideas to transform your rental home into a luxurious space. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some amazing ideas that you can borrow and use to transform your rental home into a luxurious space. 1. Furniture. The first thing you can try is to replace your old furniture with new, modern pieces. You can check out thrift stores or online marketplaces for affordable options. Choose furniture that is comfortable, stylish, and functional. 2. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a luxurious ambiance. One way to achieve this is by installing dimmer switches or adding string lights. You can also try placing floor lamps or table lamps strategically to create different moods. 3. Wall decor. Adding some art or decorative pieces to your walls can make a huge difference. You can opt for large paintings or framed prints, or even create your own gallery wall. Another idea is to use removable wallpaper or wall decals to add some texture and color to your space. 4. Textures. Textures can make your rental home feel cozy and luxurious. Try adding some throw pillows, blankets, or area rugs in different textures, such as faux fur, velvet, or wool. You can also hang some curtains or drapes to add some depth and dimension. 5. Plants. Adding some greenery to your rental home can make it feel fresh and vibrant. You can try placing some potted plants, hanging planters, or even a small herb garden. Not only do plants purify the air, but they also add some natural beauty to your space. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found these ideas useful and can apply them to your rental home. Remember, creating a luxurious space doesn't have to be expensive or difficult. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your rental home into a stylish and comfortable oasis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.